In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Make, a powerful AI workflow automation software that can help you streamline your processes and boost productivity. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Make website. The official site is the hub for all the tools and features Make offers, and it's where we'll begin our journey today. Once you're on the Make homepage, you'll see a login option at the top. Go ahead and click on Login. If you don't see it right away, it usually stands out on the top right corner of the page, ensuring easy access for returning users. You'll want to make sure you have your login details handy for the next step. After you've clicked Login, choose Continue with Google if you prefer using your Google account for a swift and secure login process. This option helps integrate Make with your Google applications seamlessly, further enhancing the tool's efficiency. If you haven't connected via Google before, follow the prompts to connect your account securely. Once successfully logged in, the dashboard is your launchpad to numerous powerful features. Our focus today is on exploring templates, so direct your attention to the Templates tab in the navigation menu. Clicking here will transport you to a treasure trove of pre-built workflows designed to make setting up new processes much easier. In the Templates section, you'll find a range of templates organized to suit different needs and use cases. Take your time to browse through these options, as this is where you can find the perfect fit for your specific workflow requirements. The variety is extensive, so choose a template that closely aligns with what you're aiming to achieve. After you've selected the template that suits your needs, look for the option labeled Create New Scenario from Template. This is the magic button that allows you to take the pre-constructed workflow and personalize it further. Clicking on this will launch the scenario setup process, where you can customize the template to better fit the unique needs of your projects or tasks. Using templates in Make is really about leveraging the expertise and time-tested structures that others have built, allowing you to bypass the intricate steps of manually constructing your own workflows. As you explore and experiment, remember that templates are scalable and flexible. You're encouraged to tailor them further to ensure they offer the maximum benefit to your automation tasks. By the end of this process, you should have a new scenario all set up and ready to go. Be sure to take advantage of Make's detailed documentation and support resources if you need any help along the way. Thank you for watching and happy automating with Make.